Channel 3 Early Warning Weather with Chief Meteorologist Bruce DePriest.
Well, for a long time, we've been talking about how we really need rain here in Connecticut, and the drought situation is actually getting worse. This is an update that Mark showed you earlier that we do have now in far eastern Connecticut extreme drought conditions, where you see the red there. A good part of the state is still in a moderate to severe drought. So the bottom line, again, we need rain. Now, one thing we'll be tracking this weekend is the possibility of frost. If your guard is still going strong, you may want to take note that there might be the need to protect some tender plants as we go through the weekend. Now, as far as the first freeze goes, and we're talking about 32 degrees or lower, on average in the greater Hartford area, it's October 14th. But the earliest freeze was on September 20th in 1979 when it was 30 degrees, and the latest first freeze was November 11th in 1920. Now, keep in mind, the air temperature above the ground does not have to get down to 32 degrees to have frost. So it can happen at 35 or 36 degrees, for example. There's our ICAM in Torrington, where you can see the stream level is low, and our ICAM in New London does not appear to be working at the moment. Temperature-wise, we're in the 70s, 71 in Groton, 76 degrees in Hartford, at 71 degrees in Waterbury and Willimantic are at 74. And right now in Connecticut, we still have a breeze that's generally out of the south. So we're waiting for the front to come through. We're waiting for the wind shift to occur to bring the cooler air in. So while it's 76 in Hartford, it's 57 in Albany, and we have 60s in places like Syracuse and Burlington. So the cooler air will gradually overspread the state tonight. You can see some scattered showers with the front, and of course we're watching the remnants of Sally, which is bringing heavy rain and the threat of tornadoes to the Carolinas. So with the front, there is a chance for a passing light rain shower tonight. By tomorrow morning, you'll see the heaviest rain is offshore with the remnants of Sally, but we could have some showers in Connecticut, especially near the coast. But then a clearing trend will take place during the afternoon, and then as we go into tomorrow night and Saturday morning, that's when the cool air really takes hold. Saturday's going to be bright and sunny, but it's going to feel a lot more like October. All right, so Teddy is another concern. There is Teddy. You can see right now it's a strong Category 4 hurricane, and it's going to be moving to the northwest and threaten Bermuda early next week. So that's the position Sunday at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, coming up near Bermuda Sunday night into Monday. And then by Tuesday, it's going to be not too far away from Nova Scotia. Some models bring Teddy into Maine. Others keep it into the Canadian Maritimes. So we'll have to keep a close eye on it for any sign of a more westerly track. So lows tonight will be in the 50s, perhaps near 50 in the Litchfield Hills, and highs tomorrow in the 60s, about a good 10 degrees cooler than it was today. Look at the weekend, though. 39 Saturday morning, 64 in the afternoon, 36 Saturday night, and a high of only 62, despite a lot of sun on Sunday. And we'll do it all over again Sunday night with a low of 36. Monday will be cool, a high of 65. And on the first day of autumn and beyond, temperatures will rise back into the 70s, maybe even 75 to 80 by Wednesday and Thursday. Of course, Tuesday could be breezy. That all depends on the track of Teddy, which we'll be keeping an eye on. For the shoreline tomorrow, a high of 67, and even cooler over the weekend.